Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Honda Jazz EX. Now of course this is finished in platinum white and you do get full LED headlights, fog lights, and of course you also get your 4 front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels. Of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern. As you can see as well, the previous owner has had an premium pack installed on the car, which just has the door protectors and sill protectors. We've then got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera at the rear. We've got plenty of room in the tailgate, including 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with that level just there. Then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got the part grey cloth and black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've got full electric windows all round, full keyless entry and start. And then coming inside, we have your electric handbrake with brake hold, got your ECON Mode, then we've got your CVT gearbox down the middle. We've got your climate control with 2 front heated seats, got a nice little bit of additional storage just on the left. We've then also got your touchscreen display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. Various audio sources just here, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then we've also got your Bluetooth hands-free as well. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, track select and voice assistant. The home button, the bezel and the return button controls the onboard computer. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've then also got your heated steering wheel as well. We've got 4 automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And then as you can see, this car has done 6,809 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz EX, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.